So,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am? That's your view, that. Mine.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan ang
salamat kayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on
Hindi
record,
tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan.
Senator Estrada has the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
At
Alam
kung
niyo,
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
silence, please.
Osaa, silence the gallery, and those who will do that again, exclude them from the hearing hall.
Gallery, please do not encourage me.